Are you clumsy? Always dropping your papers? Does it take you forever to pick them up? Do your professors hate you because of your sloppy work? Lose your balance, then your papers? Introducing the stapler! Now you can fall freely and stay organized. Grades will dramatically improve. The stapler is even portable. Paper clips are confusing. Tape is messy. Just listen to these happy customers.
Before the stapler, I failed everything. But with the stapler, I'm an A+ student.
Ever since the invention of the stapler, my students' grades have been off the chart. Before, they were just happy with a D, but now everyone's getting A+. Plus, it makes my grading so much easier because when someone hands in something stapled, I assume it's right.
Before the stapler, I was a horrible secretary. I got fired almost after 1 hour. But now with the stapler, I'm a stapling machine. I'm so organized. Oh, paper cut. All better. Take that!
The stapler is easy to assemble. Just load the stapler and go. The stapler comes in all different shapes, sizes, and colors. The revolutionary stapler is just $9.95. But wait! Call now and we'll also include the handy portable stapler, a $5 value, yours free.